I will give you $100 right now
Okay.
if you can tell me what kind of duck that is.
Okay. So it's not a mallard because mallards have the green heads.
Exactly. Okay. So process of elimination.
Process of elimination.
Okay.
I mean, I would say something maybe like a brown breast duck, because that sounds right, but nope, it's not that.
I think you're kind of close.
Yeah.
A lot of times, ducks or birds will be named sort of a combination of a color associated with a portion of the body.
This is a redhead.
That's really close.
Really close. I'm so
Okay.
glad that wasn't red.
All right.
I would have just lost $100. That's actually called a canvas bag.